What's going on, guys? My name is Oxxide and welcome back to another quick YouTube video. Today we're going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube short out of a gaming video such as Fortnite. YouTube Shorts is a very big thing on the platform right now that are receiving thousands upon thousands of views. So creating a short clip of your recent gaming highlight is actually really good and really beneficial for you in order for you to help grow your channel and take it from there. Now, before we get into it, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, press the thumbs up, and we'll get straight into it. So for the demonstration of this, I'm going to be using Sony Vegas. Okay. Now the first thing that you want to do is set your project type. So I've already got a pre-filled one here called Tik Tok, which is exactly the same for YouTube Shorts. You want to make the width 1080 and the height 1920. And once you've done that, you can press apply and then press OK. The next thing you want to do is drag your video that you want to edit into your timeline down here and press no to this option here. Now, as an example, you'd find somewhere in the video that you want to take a quick snippet of. So for example, if you have a clip that's already 30 seconds to 60 seconds long. Now remember that it's got to be a max 60 seconds. Okay, absolutely max 60 seconds. I would normally recommend around about 55 seconds at the bare maximum, just because YouTube Shorts occasionally can add a couple of seconds onto it. Now, as an example, for my case, I'm going to take a clip from here. Let's find a clip. Here. So we'll just use this part here. All right, so first of all, I'm going to snip this area here. All right, snip. And then we're going to bring that over to here, and we're going to snip probably about here. That's 17. Okay, let's put it up to 25 seconds. All right, so now we have a 20-second long video. And now we want to make this into a vertical video for YouTube or TikTok. What we want to do is we want to separate these two, the audio and the video, from here. And you can do that in Vegas by pressing the U button on your keyboard, which then separates it. You can right click, insert video track, then you can copy this and paste it in there. Now that that's done, what you actually want to do is you want to work on the top video first. So you can click on the event pan / crop tool and you get to this section here. Now always ensure that this size about center is actually highlighted like that, and press on this icon down here on your timeline, otherwise it won't work correctly. From here you can just drag it in. Now if you look at your preview, you can drag it all the way in until it fills up that entire preview section of your screen. Now that we've done that, we want to get the face cam to show on this one, so we can move it over to the top. And what we want to do here is either untick this or hold the control button. So I'm going to hold the control button to resize it and get it to about the section that we want it to be, roughly about here. Once we've done that, we want to now go to add a plugin, choose the crop tool, press add, press OK, select. Now because we have the webcam up the top, we want to select the top as the anchor point. If you did have the webcam down the bottom, you would select bottom as the anchor point. But we're going to select top, and then we're going to change the Y crop, and we're going to crop out everything there so it meets with the webcam. Once we've done that, we can just close it. Then we can come down to here on the event pan / crop tool on the second video. Again, press on this little icon down here, make sure that is highlighted, and do the same thing. Do this until it fills up the section, which is right about there, and we're done. That's basically it. So now as we play the video, ignoring the little artificial thing that I have there, you'll see that that is actually working perfectly fine. Now when you go to render it, and we'll go to render as. Now again, I've already got a TikTok render here, which is the same for YouTube Shorts. You want to make sure that, again, this is width 1080 by 1920. And obviously you have set all your normal presets, and then you just render that out. So it doesn't take very long to render a short video that's roughly 30 seconds long, or up to a minute. And now that this is done, when we get it open, so I'm going to open on my second screen. So let me just bring it over for you. So now that that's done, it's all been rendered. Here it is right here. It's a short 30-second clip, nice and easy, and it works out perfectly. Now you can just upload that to YouTube and put in your title #shorts, and that will appear as a YouTube short. If you have any questions or if I've helped you in any way, don't forget to subscribe to this video, press the thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.